All right, hilarious story. I went to go look at a 2020 Turbo S maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. Loved it, but we couldn't agree on a price. So he ended up selling it, to the next guy. Well, that guy lives in Wisconsin. I'm in Illinois. The buyer is in Wisconsin. The Turbo S has a wheelbase width of 72 inches. Wisconsin has a maximum wheelbase width of 65 inches for side-by-sides. So he can't even register the Turbo S in Wisconsin, let alone if he wants to sell it, he can't sell it to anyone in Wisconsin. So he has to find an out-of-state buyer. Well, he, hit up the original seller back up and said, hey, do any of your other interested buyers still want it? Because he's like, I gotta sell this thing, I can't do anything with it. And so I was, I think, the next highest bidder on it. So the original seller gave the buyer my information, and I mean, we talked. He's accepted to take a loss on it, and so now I'm loading up the trailer. I'm gonna go drive a little bit to Madison, Wisconsin, and we're gonna meet halfway, and I'm gonna go pick it up, and I'm gonna get a good deal on this thing. So I'm gonna load up the trailer and head out. All right, she's all loaded up, strapped in, looking good. Truck's ready to go. We came to the local fleet farm here in near Madison, Wisconsin. So we're ready to go. She's all dialed in, the dynamics, active suspension. Yeah, all right, sneak peek. We'll take a look at it when we get back a little more, but that's it right there. We're ready to go. Let's head out. Now, the question is, did I buy a used problem or a reliable family machine? I don't know. We'll find out together, because in another video, I'm going to swap out the engine oil, transmission fluid, air filter, spark plugs, and I'll also be installing a turn signal kit, and it comes with the horn and lights, turn signals, all that good stuff, because I do plan to drive it on the street a little bit. So keep an eye out for that, and I'll see you on the next one.